life is not a bed of roses. Similarly, when we live our lives on this earth, it is not a problem-free life. On a daily basis, we see some people enter challenging times and some come out of them. And so, in this way, our lives move on with happy and challenging moments. But when the challenging moments dominates, we become dejected. These despairing moments cause us to lose hope and trust in the Lord. But these are the moments that provide us with a chance to build our faith and trust in the Lord. As in the first reading, St. James states in his letter that when you ever face trials of any kind, consider it nothing but joy, because you know that the testing of your faith produces endurance. When we are faced with trials and difficulties in life, we need to believe that in the platform for God to manifest His power. In other words, these are the signs from God that He cares and journeys with us. Therefore, it is our response to believe and trust in the Lord. Today's reading gives us the following teachings from our challenging moments and from uncertain moments. Tough moments deepen our relationship with Jesus. The reason that we need to willingly accept challenges in our lives is that to help us to have steadfast faith in Jesus. The testing of our faith produces steadfastness, and let steadfastness have its full effect, that we may be perfect and complete. Which is very true. A storm makes oaks that deeper roots, so affliction makes us more dependent on Jesus. By His grace, we become wiser. We are all like a ship whose strength is tested with sailing in stormy waters. We do not know our strengths until we get into the tough times. Second, uncertain moments allow us to see God's will. Uncertain moments allow us to see God's will and discernment in our lives. When we are faced with important decisions to make, we turn to God for His wisdom to make right choice. Thus, with God's wisdom, we foster a deeper understanding of His plans and purposes in our uncertain moments, strengthening our spiritual connection with His divine will. Third point, faith in Jesus leads us to unexpected blessings. Having faith in Jesus leads us to unexpected blessings and opportunities that we may not even think of. When we trust in God, we believe that good things are in store for us, even if we are not seeing them at that moment. Faith can lead us to surprise moment of joy, abundance and fulfillment that exceeds our expectations in life. In our lives, we are constantly struck by challenges, and in those moments, what matters is complete faith and trust in the Lord, knowing that He accompanies us during those moments, though we may not see that moment, but surely His presence is felt in and around us. And to have this, we need to have childlike faith and trust in the Lord. But if we expect some heavenly signs from God, then we will miss out on the small basis of miracles in our daily lives. Therefore, let us pray to the grace to have faith in Jesus in our troubled times so that we can experience his signs throughout times.